Sometimes we need to send the binary data like images, files, or special characters through systems that expects plain text like JSON or HTTP headers. That's where the base64 encoding comes into the picture, which will turn any byte data into a plain text string. Now let's try to understand with this with the help of one simple example. Let's say we have one input string containing some special characters like colon. Now in order to encode it, we can make use of Java's built-in base64 utility, using which we can write like this. First, we will get the encoder using base64.getEncoder, which will give us the encoder. Then we will call the encode toString method, which will accepts the byte as an input. So we are converting our input string into the bytes array by calling .getBytes. So this will convert our string into the bytes, then encode those into base64 format. Now in order to decode it back, what we can do, we can make use of base64.getDecoder and then call the decode method, wherein we will pass our encoded string. So once we get the output, which is in the form of byte array, we will convert the byte array back into the plain string using this new string. So now when we run our program, you will see our original string was converted or encoded into this particular string, and then when we decoded it back, we got the same original string as the output. So remember, base64 is not useful for encryption or security. It is mainly used to encode the non-textual data like images, files, or binary tokens into a string so that it can be stored or transmitted in plain text format. So it is perfect for embedding images in JSON or encoding file contents or preparing data for HTTP headers.